Let's unpack what the route filter is. A route filter in Azure Express Route is a tool that allows you to control which specific Azure services and regions are accessible over an express route circuit by filtering the BGP routes advertised to your network. This selective filtering is important for managing network traffic and optimizing connectivity, especially in a large or complex environments with multiple services. Why route filters are essential for route advertisement? Let's unpack some use cases. Route filters will help you decide which Microsoft services such as Azure Pass or Office 365 services are accessible via express route. Without a route filter, you would either have access to all services in your circuits region, which can lead to excess data routes and congestion, or none. With route filters, you can control precisely which service routes are advertised to your network and ensure you only access the services you need. By limiting routes to specific services, route filters reduce the exposure of unnecessary routes within your network. This adds a layer of security by preventing accidental access to resources or regions that aren't meant for your environment. When only the necessary routes are advertised, network performance can improve because of the express route circuit is not managing excessive or irrelevant routes. This can help reduce overhead on routers and network devices and makes routing decision quicker and more efficient. Route filters can prevent unexpected data charges by limiting connectivity to only the required services. This control reduces the risk of unintended data flow and associated costs, as data transfer charges over express route circuits are based on the volume and destination of traffic. How route filter works? Let's unpack some of the steps that you might take to create and associate the route filter with express route. When you set up an express route circuit, Azure advertises a set of routes that include the IP addresses of available Azure services. A route filter is like a custom list that tells Azure to only advertise the routes for services you specify. These can be grouped by service families, such as like a Microsoft 365 services or Azure Pass services or specific regional services. To use a route filter, you create the route filter resource first. You then attach it to your express route circuit and you specify the services or service families you want advertised to your network. This way, route filters will help streamline route management, route advertisement, improve security, and ensure that your network is optimized for the specific Azure services your organization needs.